Friends, welcome to youtube.com oblique Dr. Ved channel. I am Dr. P.R. Patel, Professor and Head Veterinary Medicine. In this presentation, we are going to discuss a very important bacterial disease of equines, strangles. And in part 1, we will discuss synonym, introduction, etiology, epidemiology of strangles. Friends, we discuss here strangles. We first see what is strangles. The strangles word derived from strangulation. The word strangulation means something obstruct very seriously the respiratory tract. That is called strangulation. So the word derives strangles from strangulation means it obstructs seriously or fatally the normal breathing. Means there is obstruction to the respiratory tract. The synonyms are equine distemper. The word distemper means a serious disease involving many systems of the body and that may end fatally. So it is equine distemper, common name equine. Infectious adenitis, because it is infectious disease, adenitis. Here common thing is lymphadenitis, inflammation of the lymph node. So infectious adenitis. Friends, we see here introduction on strangles. Strangles is extremely infectious disease. It is highly contagious disease of equines. Horses, donkeys and mules are the equines. Most commonly it affects the foals, young one foals. The characteristic involvement of the body system here is catarrhal inflammation of upper respiratory tract, the same as that of glandar. And another characteristic, suppuration and abscession of associated lymph node of the upper respiratory tract. This is the characteristic of the disease. Catarrhal inflammation of upper respiratory tract and associated lymph nodes of the upper respiratory tract. We continue with the introduction. Most commonly, there is marked swelling of retropharyngeal lymph nodes in the throat. Common retropharyngeal lymph node is involved. And because of this enlargement, it creates a strangled breathe sound. A breathe sound that something is obstructing. And because of this strangulation type of breath sound, the disease is named as strangle. Another important thing in this disease is there is a guttural pouch empyema, pus formation in the guttural pouch, and this causes great respiratory distress in horses, and this results in death due to aspiration pneumonia. The prolonged asymptomatic carrier animals are also recorded. We discuss here the etiology of strangles. Strangles is caused by Streptococcus equi subspecies equi or say Streptococcus equi. These bacteria are obligate parasite and they are the primary pathogen to produce the disease, strangle. The Streptococcus equi are gram-positive Coccobacillus in shape and a capsulated organism. In blood agar, they produce beta hemolysin around the column. So they are beta hemolytic. The Streptococcus equi are of high virulent in nature due to presence of three factors. One factor is presence of M protein. Second is presence of hyaluronic acid capsule. And third is leukocidin toxin. How they cause this virulence we study next presentation. We discuss here the epidemiological aspect, prevalence of infection. Strangle is widely distributed around the world. In many places, they are recovered from India and Pakistan and recorded from Punjab and other states wherever horses are kept intensively. The occurrence of straggle is highest in falls and during the month of February to May as compared to winter and summer months. This may be related to mostly the breeding period. Here we see the predisposing factors for the strangle. When the horses are sudden exposure to too much cold, high humidity, poor ventilation that causes stress on the respiratory system. High humidity also causes stress on the respiratory system. Excessive cold weather also causes the stress on the respiratory system. And any severe stress causes stress on the overall body. And that causes the predisposing factor for the development of the or precipitation of the strangles in equines. What are the sources of infection of strangles, Streptococcus equi? It is observed that some of the recovered horses are carriers and they harbor the Streptococcus equi for a very long time in their upper respiratory tract, pharynx and guttural pouch. The important source of infection is discharges. Discharges from nostrils, discharges from the abscesses, discharge from the guttural pouch empyema. This contains high quantity of the organism and this contaminates the grazing land, the tracks, they contaminate stalls, they contaminate feed and water troughs, growing kits and clothes of the horses. When the other healthy horses come in contact with such grazing land, feed and water troughs, stalls, the healthy horse get the infection. Strangles has got great economic impact on equine industry because the strangle cause high morbidity, low mortality, and when there is death of the infected horse, the owner loses precious horse, the value of the precious horse. When the horse become diseased and other horses also become diseased, so it requires time spent for the treatment, for the care and for the other procedures. That is also economic effect. When disease is there, expense expenses incurred on treatment, prevention, control, and other job. That is also a economic impact. And nobody likes to purchase a running nose horses or draining abscess horses that fetch a low price of the equine. So there is aesthetic unpleasantness that reduces the price of the horses. We discuss here the transmission of strangles. It is transmitted by direct or indirect contact with fomites. We have already seen that discharges from the nose, from the guttural pouch, the pus from the lymphadenitis that contaminates pasture, that contaminates tracts, that contaminates the store, many other materials. Now, how the organism enters, what are the route of entry of organism? The common route of an organism is ingestion, ingestion of contaminated material. Another route is inhalation of droplet infection. Entry of organism through skin wound from the contaminated external environment. Even a infected stereo can transmit infection to mare through copulation, and foals can get infection during suckling the infected mother. Friends, here we have discussed what is strangles, synonyms, introductive part, just to give the idea about the strangles, etiology in detail, and epidemiological aspect. This information is very important. Strangle cases are occurring in the field. Request you to share this information to veterinary friends and veterinary students, and to promote the channel, please subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for observing this video. Thanks.